Hey everyone, today I'm testing out what might just be the ultimate pool cleaning robot. This is the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max. This isn't just another pool gadget, it's a full-on, all-in-one cleaning system designed to save you time, money, and a whole lot of hassle. And just so you know, I didn't test this in some showroom perfect crystal clear pool. Nope. This is a real-world test in my pool with dirt, small stones, and even a little mud along the waterline. Because that's the only way to see if a pool cleaner actually earns its price tag. Let's start with power, because the Scuba X1 Pro Max has it in spades. This thing packs 8,500 gallons per hour of suction, powered by 9 separate motors. That's the most powerful suction in the world for a pool robot. And paired with Aiper's micro mesh ultrafine filter, it captures everything from big leaves to the tiniest particles.
Particles as small as 3 microns. Even fine dirt and sand is captured in the filter.
Right here, you can see it in action along my pool floor. Watch as it passes over that line of dirt. And just like that, gone. That's the power of 8,500 GPH suction combined with intelligent cleaning. And it's not just about brute force, it's smart. The Scuba X1 Pro Max has 40 sensors with OmniSense 2.0 technology, plus a quad-core chip running FlexPath 2.0. In plain English, it maps your pool like a pro, adapts its cleaning path, and it goes, and covers every inch: floors, walls, waterline, even tricky slopes and platforms. And yes, it's completely cordless. No tangles, no floating cord to plug in, no tripping hazards, no worries about electricity near the water. Just charge it up, drop it in, and it can run for up to 10 hours in surface-only mode.
The Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max allows you to change the cleaning area as well as the cleaning intensity. For instance, the cleaning area, if you want floor only, that's fine. If you want floor and wall, or you could have the surface only. And also hero mode, which is everything: surfaces, floors, walls, and waterline. You can also change the cleaning intensity from eco mode, which saves energy while using standard suction power. You can have auto mode, which automatically detects dirt levels to switch to the appropriate power setting, or you can switch to max mode, which utilizes the most powerful suction power.
It's not just a floor cleaner either. It skims leaves off the surface, scrubs walls, and climbs slopes that most cleaners avoid. Let's put this in perspective. The traditional way, you're using 4 to 5 different tools and spending around 90 minutes a week cleaning your pool. Or you're paying a pool service, about $600 a summer. Even with other robotic cleaners, you often need 2 or 3 devices and still have to pitch in with regular hands-on work. The Scuba X1 Pro Max is one machine, about 5 minutes of your time per week, and you can save thousands over a few years. And if you want to take it even further, there's the optional HydroCom Pro accessory. It's solar-powered, monitors your pool's water quality 24/7, and even lets you communicate and retrieve your robot with one click. It tracks things like pH, temperature, and gives you expert care recommendations, all right inside of the app. Bottom line, this isn't just about having a clean pool. It's about having more time to enjoy it. The Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max delivers power, precision, and intelligent cleaning all in one. If you're tired of spending weekends cleaning your pool or wasting money on multiple tools and services, this might be the last pool cleaner you'll ever need. I've been seriously impressed with how it handled real dirt and debris. It's earned the title, the pinnacle of all pool cleaning robots. Thanks for watching. Now I'm going to do what this cleaner helped me to do: actually enjoy my pool.